Hello and welcome back to CreativeCat. I'm back with my voiceover after so many days. How are you doing? So there is a trend going on of making paintings with toilet paper pulp. You must have seen these simple but highly textured velvety paintings. They look so fun to do. I mean, little different from we normally do. So I decided to try it out. It needs lots of toilet paper, which I did not want it to use. So here is the pile of my waste papers and I'm going to use them for making pulp. Let's see how it turns out. I let the paper soak in water overnight. Next morning, I made pulp with the grinder. In the meantime, I made the MDF board ready for the painting. I recommend not to use cardboard base for this, as paper pulp takes so much time to dry and the cardboard will soak all the water and turn soggy and it will bend. Take little pulp in different container. Try to take out all the water. Mix some glue and I'm mixing acrylic paints. Here on the MDF board, I made this simple design. With the help of tweezer, take the pulp and spread it on the surface. Make sure the layer is even. And here is the close-up of what I'm doing. I love this color. It is so fun to do this, but honestly, this is so time consuming. I mean, I'm doing the same thing since last couple of hours. So do this only when you will have lots of time in your hands. And now some brightness. It's almost done. I let it dry overnight and painted these birds with acrylic paint. And here is the fruit of all that hard work. You should definitely try this. You will love it. So that was the video. Let me know in comments what you think about this artwork, if you are going to try it, not trying it, and why. Also hit the like button if you like the video. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.